practice question number 5 from practice set 1.3. So here we divide it into two portions. PQ, yes, PQRS, and then is point A. Now in this question, you are given that here I mentioned given portion. You are given that PQ parallel SR, that is given to you. This PQ parallel SR, and then also you are given that AR is equal to phi u AB as well as AS is equal to phi u times A. That is given to you, and you want to prove that SR is equal to phi u times PQ. That you want to prove. SR is equal to phi u times PQ. Let's start proof. Now this proof you can do by different methods, but as we already three tests, according to me, when values of all the three sides are given to you, you can use SSS test. Value of any two sides given to you, you can use SSS test. And when nothing is given, use AA test. So here first of all select the triangle in which you want to use AA test. So here I am using these two triangles. Triangle PQA and then triangle RAS. These two triangles. And for your convenience, that to avoid confusion, I am omitting this to avoid confusion. In the same way, you have to solve question number 6 also. In the same way. Okay. So here in triangle, so here RAS and triangle PQ PAQ. Now prove similarity in these two triangles. So make list of congruent parts. So first of all, as we have studied this vertically opposite angle. So angle RAS congruent angle PAQ. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now check your given part. You are given PQ parallel SR. If these two lines are parallel, so what about this line? That is transversal. And if that is transversal, what about these two angles? These are alternate angles. So here angle RSA congruent angle AQP, alternate. Okay, so as two angles of this triangle are congruent with corresponding two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by AA test. So here, therefore, triangle RAS similar triangle PAQ by AA test. Okay. Now, as we know, if the two triangles are similar, what about their corresponding sides? Their corresponding sides are in proportion. So here, RA by PA is equal to AS by AQ is equal to RS by PQ. Yes, corresponding sides of similar triangle. That we have clear. Now, check your given portion, this portion. If we put down value of RA what 5 AP. So here, whatever this ratio, I separate this RA by PA, and all the three equal, and we consider this one equal to this one, equal to RS by P. Okay, now I am putting value of RA from here. RA equal to what? 5 times AP. So here 5 times AP by PA, that is AP, equal to RS by PQ. Here we mention that AR equal to 5 times AP. Okay, so this AP gets cancelled. 5. Transfer this PQ on this side. 5 times PQ is equal to RS. RS means SR. Therefore, SR equal to 5 times PQ. Okay, that is your required proof. What is this question? In the same way you have to prove, you have to write such ratio and then put down values and perform calculation. That's it. Instead of doing this, you have to perform calculation in 6th question of 1.3. Now, I consider the last question of 1.3. Last question. And what is the remaining question? That you have to practice. So, what is the remaining question of 1.3? You have to practice yourself. Now, you are given figure. You are given figure here. Such diagram is given to you. Triangle BAC, and you are given that there is point D on side BC such that angle ABC, this angle congruent to angle BAC. This angle congruent to this complete angle. Now using this, so here question number 9 of practice set 1.3, you are given that angle BAC congruent angle ABC, and then you want to prove whatever you want to prove. You want to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CB into CB. That you want to prove. Let's start proof. Now, first of all, we doesn't get idea what we want to prove. So here, what are angles given to you? This angle BAC, that is from larger triangle, and angle ADC from the smaller triangle. So let's prove similarity between these two triangles. That means in triangle BAC and triangle ABC. So we are proving similarity between this larger triangle and this smaller triangle. So make list of congruent parts. One part is already given to you. Angle BAC congruent angle ABC, that is given, already given. Now we want second part. Check this larger triangle BAC, this larger triangle. Okay, and second triangle ADC. In both the triangle, this portion, this angle C is common. So here angle BCA congruent angle ACT, that is common angle. And as two angles of this triangle are congruent with corresponding two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by AA test. Okay, so here mention their correspondence. Therefore, triangle BAC similar triangle. Now check proper correspondence. For angle B, we don't have an option. So for A, angle A match with D. So your second letter will be D. Okay. Then C, for angle C, third letter will be C. So here ABC. So BAC similar ADC by AA test. That we have done. And as we know, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So here BA by AD is equal to AC by DC is equal to BC by AC. That is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay, that we have written. I don't want this portion, so neglect this portion. Now check this portion. AC by DC equal to BC by AC. So here AC by DC is equal to BC by AC. Perform cross multiplication. AC into AC, that is AC square is equal to BC into DC. That is your required question. If you want to change the alphabets, AC means CA. So here therefore CA square is equal to CB into that is C. That is the required proof. And here we stop. And whatever remaining questions from 1.3 that you have to practice as a homework. Okay? All that in same logic. Same logic you have to use two similar triangle and they use corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay?